Beach bags are a must-have if you want to enjoy the beach to the fullest. Between towels, sunscreen, snacks, water, books, sandals, hats, swimwear, and everything else, even large bags tend to fill up fast. The problem gets even worse if you're going with a family instead of by yourself. Unfortunately, size alone doesn't make for a great beach bag. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to present you with a list of the top 5 best beach bags available on the market. After doing a lot of research, we found these products to be most beneficial for individuals like yourself. If you're interested in knowing more about price and other details, be sure to check out my video description. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for daily video notification. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Bog Bag Waterproof Washable. This product is the smaller version of the original Bog Bag, although the only real difference between the two is their sizes. Unlike most beach bags, which consist of some form of nylon mesh, this bag uses EVA to produce a noticeably more durable product. A treaded, solid bottom helps make this bag practically tip-proof, while it's easy to clean with just a few squirts of water. The manufacturer also sells accessories that you can attach to the holes on the sides, giving some added utility to the bag. The Bog Bag is more expensive than many competitors, so it isn't a good choice for budget-conscious buyers. However, its durability and easy clean design ensure it isn't a hassle either. This is a good bag for a single person, while families should get something with more volume. Number 4. Oscot Beach Bag. Oscot's competitively priced beach bag is an excellent choice if you're looking for something with mesh. Although only available in limited colors, its impressively roomy interior, multiple external pockets, and high handles make it easy to carry over the shoulder. Women may prefer this mesh option thanks to the solid base, which significantly reduces the amount of sand and water that can get inside it. With 9 pockets, it also has more distinct areas than many of its competitors, making it easier to sort your things and ensure the most important items remain accessible. This bag doesn't have any major flaws, although it doesn't stand too well until you fill it with things. It also has fewer colors available than many beach bags, which can make it a miss if you prefer something that matches your aesthetics better. Number 3. Lucchese Utility Tote Bag. Lucchese's Utility Tote is a roomy, foldable bag that collapses for easy storage. When open, it's more wide than tall, which means it's easy to pack in a way that keeps everything in reach. That's a great design choice for beach totes because it makes it easier to put everything back in the right spot. The metal perimeters and joints are a nice touch, giving this bag more durability than many competing products. Lucchese sells this bag with many prints and patterns, too, so it's easy to find a design that suits your preferences. This is a nice bag overall, but it isn't as good for heavier items thanks to the relatively thin bottom. You can carry towels and bottles with no problem, but consider getting another product if you expect to bring many heavy things on your trip. Number 2. Esfin Large Tote Bag. Esfin's tote bag is a comfortably large tote. Although simpler than many other beach bags, it comes with a waterproof interior lining that protects the contents. The outside is only water resistant and may stay damp for a bit, but it keeps water out better than most other bags on this list. Esfin also sells this bag in a variety of colors and patterns, making it easier to find a design that you like. The interior pockets are all zippered, and the general design means this bag is also suitable for non-beach activities. All of these are great features, but Esfin sells this bag at a competitive price point, so it's affordable for budget buyers. There are 2 downsides, though. The first is that this bag doesn't have quite as many pockets, which can be an issue for organization. The straps are also a bit slippery, though they're long enough to let you comfortably carry this bag on a shoulder. Number 1. F-Color Mesh Beach Bag. F-Color's mesh bag is an excellent choice for most families because of its generous sizing, numerous pockets, and impressive durability. Holding up to 160 pounds comfortably is more than most people ever need to pack, so realistically, it can hold as much as you can fit into it. Every good beach bag has a lot of pockets, and this one has several types that hold different things. The inner pocket is especially helpful and great for storing things like cards. F-Color's bag also has extra long handles, making it much easier to put on your shoulders. Overall, this is an outstanding choice for many people. The main downside is the mesh around the bottom, which won't stop sand from getting in. The obvious solution is putting a towel down and the bag on top of it, and at the end of the day, you can shake sand back out of the bag. However, some people will prefer bags that stop sand from getting in at all, so keep that in mind when you're making your choice. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you need additional information or have questions about pricing, be sure to check out the video description. For any kind of issues, please leave a comment below. Stay informed with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.